What? Hey guys, you're looking at a finished product of a project that I started yesterday. I have 4. I apologize for the mess in this workbench, but my husband brought me a wood pallet from work, so I disassembled it, and this is the frame. This is part of the frame, kind of thick, so I liked it. And I cut it in staggered lengths, and I asked my husband to drill holes on top so I can put this branch. We got a branch from our backyard, cut it in different sizes, and then I asked my husband to drill a hole on each of these wood so I can stick the branch to make it look like it's a stem. And then I made these. So I hot glued the ribbon, sisal. These I found at Dollar Tree. So anyway, I just, whatever I have on hand. These, this one right here, I got this from Michael's. Whatever comes to mind. So just cut off some random stuff from this stash and put it there. So there it is. Michael used this drill here. Spade, it's a spade bit, and he used 3/4. So it depends on, you know, how big your stem is. But in this case, he used 3/4 because this is what I have. So I just use ribbons from Dollar Tree or Walmart or Hobby Lobby. This one I know I got it from Dollar Tree. There was like 6 of them, 6 different signs. Like this one, give thanks, blessed, welcome fall, and then there was fresh harvest or something. Here's another one. Okay, so I'm making them because the first batch that I made and brought to my shop are gone. They are sold. They got sold right away. So trying to keep up with the demand while there is demand. Hopefully all 4 of these will sell at my booth this week. And then we're gonna move on to Christmas decorations. So anyway, those are my finished projects for today. And I apologize for the mess in this workbench. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is Midlife Wanderings. I will see you on my next vlog.